Long socket. This is like surgery. And then I put on my gloves, and then I'm like 10 mil.
Yes, Dad.
Why'd you give me all these extensions? Because I'm genius and I already loosened my battery terminal
just hand them.
like weeks beforehand when I had last worked on my car. I just yoinked it off. Why am I all over the place?
Did I ask you to judge me?
I asked you to.
Outstanding move.
So now that we disconnected the battery, that's our job done for the day, I guess. No, I'm joking. Remember, safety.
What the fuck is that?
Safety is key. It's my Shrek outfit. We don't touch that yet, Ryan. We need to get the steering wheel. How do you get the steering wheel? Do you have a flathead? A small flathead?
You're a flathead.
I am Jesus.
Oh.
So there's a
Clip thingy, I think? I don't know what it's called. Remember to sanitize. Sanitize yourself from all this fucking autism.
This is taking so long. You guys should have prepared everything like a menu, like where are the tools? If this was a cooking show, you'd be fucked.
Nah, mate. We're just not mechanics.
You don't need them.
I don't care. I just want to look like I'm doing something. I really want the airbag to go off.
The battery's off, it won't go off.
Go connect the battery.
At this rate, you need a part 2, bro. Look, you got it. We're using the wrong star-shaped screwdriver.
No? What the fuck do you mean?
Before he has no steering wheel, at the end of the day, can't drive home.
Oh yeah.
I'm
not-
your GTR.
I'm not taking him man. Fuck that.
I'm not taking it home.
Hell yeah.
You have a pliers, right?
Do you say flathead?
No, needle nose pliers.
Yes. What's a needle nose? There you go. There you go.
Trying so hard not to break your own car.
Yeah, I just want to strip the bolt. I'm fucked. I think I might have a problem. And he's like, what? And I sent him a picture of my boot, and I couldn't fit the white part.
You was trying to put it there,
yeah,
like
I was
sideways.
just and I couldn't. And then I ended up like shoving it in the back and just like.
You can shove
getting
this in the back.
I'll shove that in my back.
Ooh.
Homosexual, brother.
Did I
God.
put the pliers anywhere?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Just gonna go home, bud.
No,
Yeah, with what steering wheel, G?
Just leave all the parts here, eh?
I'll just sell them on eBay. Maybe I can finally buy like a good car, you know?
A good car.
Yeah.
What would you buy?
A Toyota Camry 2019.
Alright, you guys ready for the moment of truth?
Alright, we've been waiting.
It's been 3 hours.
Yeah. Oh,
There's the airbag. Brian, give me your
Quite
phone.
expensive.
I don't know how to remove this. Do you have a smaller flathead?
Yeah.
Don't worry.
I want to see you cook for some reason.
With this on?
Yeah. I don't know if you can you cook?
Yes. I can cook bread.
Huh?
Yeah.
You can cook bread?
Yeah, I have a machine to do that for me.
Call a toaster.
Oh, is that it?
What the fuck? What do you mean? I can toast bread. Yeah, you can toast bread, cook bread.
I can make bread dishes, like bread butter, whatever you call it. I don't know. What do white people eat? Bread butter.
Bread
Butter
butter?
what? Butter-
What the fuck?
What?
Butter bread?
Buttered bread?
Butter on toast?
Yeah.
Butter
bread.
toast?
Yes, buttered toast. With bread butter.
Wasn't it something called like Frenchie or something?
French toast.
Oh, yeah. You know what I want to eat?
Wow.
Like a baguette.
That would be nice.
Like a big one. But with the homies, right? I eat one side and he starts on the other side.
Uh-huh.
I see who can get in the middle first.
I did it with my breaker bar last time. I don't have enough leverage. Oh, I did it.
Whoa.
Genius. See these guns? I'm joking.
Wait, don't do it out all the way, or you can't take the steering wheel off.
Oh, you fucking retarded?
What the heck?
Oh shit, who took my steering wheel? You plug this into your chest. It's like, I am Iron Man.
I am Iron Man.
Hey mate. I'm gonna steal these off of you because I need that for like. What? Okay, well, no, the flathead.
Oh, there's the.
The one time I need the flathead, he's using a light bulb. I'm retarded. Why? I've got to pull the airbag cable through.
Okay, so that's in. Now we'll plug the battery in and see what happens. Do you think we'll die, Ryan? Yes. Battery plugged in. Alright, well, the battery's plugged in.
Turn it on.
Alright, it's all on. Ah!
It works.
Is that it? Do that? High five.
Hey.
You wanna
The real content.
What was it?
You flicked it under?
You're just happy it's not your fault.
I'd have to buy him a new light stand.
Get a plastic magnet.
What's that? Dre, what the fuck you just said? Plastic magnet.
Just get a plastic magnet,
Pretty
right?
good idea, right?
Yeah, right. Dude, new ideas, innovation.
Yes. You can't put my ass on YouTube without paying me money. Top first. Oh, engineer!
Oh, it's so bright. Oh.
Yes.
That's actually gonna blind you.
Your brain reopening.
Did you guys used to do electrical?
I did electrical.
We used to get electrocuted.
You're electrocute.
Is it bottom side?
You don't really have to record this. It's literally a line. Oh, that's hot. Ooh, 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 ouch. That's hot.
Maybe we should turn off the battery again. Or get some gloves.
That's nice, Jack. White now.
Hot Wheels. Comedy.
So,
So,
how do you feel?
it feels thick.
It feels a lot thicker, doesn't it?
Yeah, I reckon it would be harder to skid with this.
I don't skid anyways.
Yeah, so I think it's a good track wheel. But
I think it's just a lot more like
drifting?
around here. It's a lot more comfortable to hold
Yeah.
because there's like, I mean, the
Here?
imprint for your thumbs
and
and,
then
things.
here, like this.
Yeah.
Like that.
I think with daily driving it'd be good.
Yeah, daily drive will be comfortable.
I think it's a bit more
feel like sliding, and then this whips back.
I think it's more comfortable than the Alcantara though.
Yeah.
I like the perforated. Yeah, I like the perforated leather on the side. It's nice.
Yeah.
Overall, I think it's nice.
It's like a GTR steering wheel.
Put it on yourself.
Ha! I'm special.
Yeah. Mechanic friend dogged us.
Yeah.
Damn it, Ethan. So now we will attempt to break my exhaust. You guys ready?
Yeah.
I'm not.
Let's check the car out. If I die, I just want you guys to know. Fuck you all. I hate every single one of you. If you used to pull me along. Is that still hot? Oh, that's fine. Okay. Time to get to work.
This is a perfect like height for this.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
You can just put it on the stand.
If I get to here. Yeah, this is like barely enough space for us to work.
So run me through this plan. What are you gonna do?
Okay, so here, there's 2 bolts per side here. So there's 4 bolts here, and then there's 2 here.
Mm-hmm.
We need to get those off. Woo!
Do you have a mallet?
No, I don't have a mallet. Could you make these with the bolts? With the nuts? Sorry?
Yeah. I'll just get a mechanic to do it.
No, fuck that.
Yeah, you know what? That's what I would usually do too, right?
But
Except content.
And then
And we're already
you
here.
bought the pot for fun.
You ready?
Ooh, the gasket though.
Oh.
I got it.
Oi!
Hey.
Holy shit, that was actually surprisingly successful.
Should I get the new one and put it in?
Didn't you dumbass want to start the car?
Oh yeah!
Get on. Oh.
I don't want my fucking hearing anymore anyways. Okay. Open test pipes. Go, Ryan. Give me 1 rev.
Okay, set it off!
Holy crap!
That is loud!
I'm glad I didn't.
I love it! You sound like that the whole time.
What's it like being dumb?
That's 11!
Is it?
This can't give me an 11. What? No? Read the number. It says 11.
You don't have a...
It is 11. You can't count, dude.
The magician.
Shout out to Shukun, who taught me how to play music.
You're right there, you fucking chimp.
I'm actually so bored.
Monkey playing with tools. Have you ever seen a monkey play with tools?
No, but I've seen you use tools.
Okay, if you had to do like a type of maths, what like calculations?
Algebra.
Algebra?
Yeah.
What about you, Dre?
Dude, I'm all about just financial stuff.
Alright, yeah, that's fair.
That's all.
Math A
I'm
stuff.
I'm with Ryan. Any algebra, yeah, that's really fun. Like finding your ex. Yeah, no, this is right because it says R on it.
That could be a Japanese L for all I know.
I think that's the fastest I've ever seen you think, Dre.
Yeah.
Okay, now we mate up the Wi-Fi. No, Ryan has it. Yep, I got one side in. So we have to push the exhaust back by this much. Holy crap, that's a lot.
How?
I don't know.
The exhaust hanger has to be re-welded.
If we can loosen up the hangers.
That's what I was thinking, but I don't know.
2 hours later.
Yeah, holy crap. First start. Give me a tiny rev. Okay, stop. Damn, what are we doing? Replacing the light bulb. So, because, yeah, I don't know how you did it.
I just pulled it out because it was a clip.
Have a look from this angle.
But how do you
Yeah,
put
that's
it back in?
Ooh.
Is it on?
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
Is it working?
The Parker's on, yeah. So yellow.
Dude, look at
This one's white.
Oh?
Oh, true. I didn't notice before. Oh, it's white. That's so clean.
Yeah, it is clean. Let me put it up.
Expression, go